The 2027 Mercedes-Benz GLE is now fully electrified, but what does that actually mean for your wallet? Beyond the luxury and performance, the real story is how much it costs to fuel, maintain, and own this SUV long-term. Fuel reality. The GLE lineup looks efficient thanks to mild hybrid systems across the range. Both the GLE 350 and GLE 450 are expected to deliver around 23 miles per gallon combined, offering solid range for a vehicle in this class. In real-world driving, the GLE 450 can stretch close to 500 miles on a full tank, making it a great option for long-distance travel. The mild hybrid system smooths acceleration and improves coasting efficiency without drastically changing driving habits. The standout is the GLE 500e plug-in hybrid. With over 50 miles of electric-only range, many daily drives can be completed without using fuel at all, especially if you have consistent access to charging at home. Ownership costs. Owning a GLE comes with premium-level expenses, and depreciation is the biggest factor. Over 5 years, most models are expected to lose between 45% and 50% of their value, which can translate to tens of thousands of dollars. Maintenance is another key consideration. Annual servicing typically ranges from $1,200 to $2,000, depending on usage. Larger wheels and performance tires can add significant costs, especially when replacements are needed. Insurance also sits on the higher side due to advanced technology and expensive components. Combined with the requirement for premium fuel, the overall running costs reflect the GLE's position as a high-end luxury SUV. Value perspective. When you combine fuel, maintenance, insurance, and depreciation, the total 5-year cost becomes substantial. For GLE 350 and 450 models, estimates fall between $95,000 and $105,000, depending on driving habits and location. Higher performance models like the GLE 580 or AMG variants can climb well beyond $125,000 over the same period. These versions deliver more power, but also come with increased operating and ownership expenses. Still, the GLE justifies much of this cost with its advanced technology and refined driving experience. The standard MBUX Superscreen and AI-driven system bring flagship-level features into a more practical SUV package. The 2027 GLE isn't just about the purchase price, it's about the full ownership journey. If you're considering one, understanding the real costs is essential, so subscribe for more honest breakdowns and smart buying advice.